Yeah, shit. Got it. This motherfucker. A drink. The drink right there. Oh, hey, how y'all doing? Nice to see somebody's there. I guess since you're there and I'm here, I should say something. I saw you there, and I didn't mean to stay. It's so super good. But your your beauty, oh, it caught me by surprise, and I didn't know that you beautiful, you caught me by surprise, and you ended up, girl, you are the twinkle. You. Put that back together, because I need that for my toys. I'm using it right now. As soon as I'm finished, you know what I'm saying? I got you, baby. But I need it for my toys. But I got you. But you, oh girl, you were a twinkle in my eyes. You can't just take it. You gotta ask for it. But sometimes I just like to take it, baby. You know what I'm saying? Just want to grab it. Do what you gotta do with it. Put it back where it was. Sometimes I just like that. No, but you gotta ask me if you want it. But I want it. But I just, you know what I'm saying? But sitting asking and getting it. But girl, I'll never, oh, I'll never, oh, I'll never forget the first time that I saw you. I didn't know what I was supposed to do, but girl, you caught me by surprise, and I didn't know what to do. So I had to do the only thing that I could do. I had to like and get my ass closer to where she was. Cause I was like, girl, you done something to me. And I don't really know what she did to me, but she did it in a way that I didn't want to do nothing else. Cause oh, girl, I just had to make you look my way. But hey, I was just saying, you know what I mean? If you ever get a chance to know a kid like me, make sure you say hi. Cause I'll take mine. Oh girl, I'll take all my time with you. That you, I bet you appreciate. And I'll know shit if I should go on that second date or not, you know, cause when I first saw you, girl, you just don't know what you did to me. You sort of, I ain't gonna say you knocked me off my feet because I was still standing, but I didn't know what the hell happened to my mind. It was like mush. It was just like, by the look in your eyes. Oh, girl, you caught me by surprise. And from then I just knew, oh, girl, I just wanted you to be mine. 'Cause, oh, girl, I just, what else will a real nigga pose do? Except for look at you, the way he looks at you, or the way I look at you, the way I plan on looking at you. 'Cause, girl, the only thing I can say is, oh, girl, you. Just you know, on some of these boys, we just like same type shit. You know, different, ain't it? Especially when it's on. Just hope you like it. You know what I'm saying? I'm bored. You know what I'm saying? We having fun. We actually just trying to figure out how we want the camera to be set up for tonight's late night confessions. I'm digging this though. I'm like really digging this right here. It's okay. Try to get me a couple guests. You know what I'm saying? Trying to see how I'm gonna fit them in. Either they're gonna pop up or bring them in. Technology wise. Yeah, I'd be happy to ask them. I thought it would go sometime. The look, my special effects. I'm not sure. You know me. You know what I'm saying? We love fire, so we love fire right there. You know what I'm saying? Let you know we live. But yeah, y'all come check out Late Night Confessions. Cause it's a lot of shit to confess late night. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be dropping my phone number on there, so we have call-ins. That will be posted probably in like a day or two. Yeah. All the info coming. Let me get out of here. Hey, y'all fuck with the kid, man. If you see this, man, hit me up. You know what I'm saying? Got a lot of music out. Got a couple movies out. You know what I'm saying? Got a few things out. You know what I'm saying? Just